Welcome to Mac with me, Meg Allan Cole, design lover, home decor expert, shopping aficionado. Shopping is totally a form of therapy. It's a de-stressor, but sometimes our budget does not align with our need of therapy. So I have come up with 5 home decor items that cost less than 20 bucks so that when you just are having that itch, you need to get out and bring something cute and cool and functional into your home, you can still do so without spending too much money. Fill in the comments as you're watching and let me know what are some really budget-friendly but fun pieces that you indulge in when your budget is not really asking you to. Let me know, give the video a thumbs up as you watch, check it out.
A classic glass bottle with a stopper can be a nightlight with a strand of LEDs, a vase with a single flower, or a vessel for your water to prevent running up and down the stairs at night because we are tired. Less than $5 and so many uses. Create a jungle on a budget with plant hangers that are about 5 to 10 bucks tops, and you can upcycle old containers for planters. A simple white shelf is visually elevated with a pair of metallic brackets like these brass beauties. A record frame is a budget-friendly way to make a cool vinyl cover, a DIY piece of art. One beautiful wall hook like this Art Deco moment is a piece of art on its own and provides a one-stop destination for a favorite piece of clothing or accessory.